Don't you just love spring in the Midwest? One second it feels like summer, the next second it's snowing and freezing. To help get you through these springtime blues, I'm going to show you how to make a tropical pale ale. Let's start with our grains. We're working with 5 pounds of 2-row pale ale malt, 5 pounds of white wheat malt, and a half pound of white crystal malt. Add your grains to your mash with 3 gallons of water and mash at 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes, 158 degrees for another 30 minutes, and then heat it up to 168 degrees at the end. Lift your grains from your brew kettle and let everything drain out. Then pour your 4 gallons of sparge water that's been chilling at 168 degrees to collect every single last molecule of sugar. Bring that bad boy up to a roaring boil and let it boil away for an hour. So here's the stars of our show. We're working with some Falconer's Flight hops, some Mosiac hops, and some Idaho hops. These are all supposed to have a tropical fruit characteristic, which will lead our flavor charge. After your hour is up, put in your wort chiller and then chill things down to 170 degrees. Go ahead and get a whirlpool going and add all of your hops in. This makes it so that we get all those delicious hop flavors without too much of the bitterness. Transfer everything to your fermenter of choice and let it ferment at room temperature for about 2 weeks. We're going to be using Bananza yeast from Omega, which is supposed to give us a nice, strong banana taste, without any of that clove flavor that you get with a Hefeweizen. Did our beer land in tropical paradise, or are we stuck in a gray Midwestern winter? Let's find out. Before we get started, just want to give a quick shout out to Jackie and Russ. They wanted us to do a pale ale, and we were more than happy to make one. If you have anything you'd like us to try, leave a comment, send us a DM, and we'd be more than happy to give it a shot. Cheers!
Cheers! Tropical Pale Ale. It definitely has that pineapple sweetness to it. It has a little bit of the tropics coming through, which is nice when it's snowing outside. So yeah, I think it's a really well-balanced beer.
I like this a lot. We really don't like IPAs all that much. And the fact that we can get this to taste just like a pineapple without using any fruit at all is pretty awesome.
And no artificial seasoning either, so that was a big win for us.
Exactly. I would definitely make this again. It's not my favorite beer in the world. I'd say probably an 8 out of 10 for me, but I would definitely do this again, maybe do a couple tweaks here and there.
I'd like to make it again. I think it would be good to sort of reboot this and see if we like it just as much when it's warm out. I think this would go down really easy at a hot temperature. Right now it's just kind of giving me like, I wish it was warm vibes. I would definitely try it again.
Yeah, I'm very happy with how it turned out. Cheers!
Cheers! Happy brewing!